This is what you're going to do if you want to add a link in Hostinger website builder. First, we're going to head over to builder.hostinger.com, and once you have selected the website that you want to edit, we're going to head over to this left side panel right here and then click on Elements. Now from here, we actually have two types, or like two options that we can do. So first, we can click on Affiliate Find for like affiliates that, or like several products that we want to link to our page. We can just click on Edit Affiliate Find, and then from there we will be able to find this product URL section. We're just going to click what we want to add. So for this one, we're going to select web address, and then we're just going to link the product right here. So just paste the product right there. Now another thing that you can do is to actually add a button. So we're going to head back to Elements again, and then from here we're going to add a button. Now from the button, we're just going to resize this one. I'm going to put it right here, and then we make sure to fit the aesthetic of the page. And then from there, we're going to again click on Edit button, and then from there we're going to click on Link to Web Address. So when your viewers click on this button, they will be taken to this link. So you're just gonna have to paste your link right here, and then that's it. So let's just try youtube.com just to show you how it's going to look like. So I'm going to press an enter, and then going to enter or like type in YouTube right here so that it would be clear where it's going to lead. We're just going to hit on preview to see if it has been applied or if you have successfully edited it. So just going to wait for this page to actually load, and then from there we're just going to try if this button actually works, and if it leads you to open YouTube once you click on the button, that means it works. So we're just going to click on YouTube right here, and as you can see, it takes us to the YouTube page, and that's it. That is it for this video. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.